Hey there, let's discuss how to check your Lowe's in-store credit balance. Stick around till the end to learn all you need to know. Lowe's issues in-store credit cards for various reasons, such as unreceived refunds from gift card purchases, refunds for payments made by checks, and some online transactions. But how do you find out how much you can spend? Just follow these instructions. Call Lowe's customer care. Dial the Lowe's contact number found at the back of your card. It's 863-2753. You can also find the number in the description below. Once connected to a Lowe's customer care representative, inquire about your credit balance. Provide your card details and await feedback regarding your balance. Visit a Lowe's store. Physically go to a Lowe's location with your Lowe's in-store credit card. Head to the customer care desk. Provide your card and any other requested details to the attending agent. They will then inform you of your balance. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll know your Lowe's in-store credit card balance. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.